Everywhere I go, people always tell me what they used to do. I used to. I used to. I used to be fun. I used to. I used to be hot. Really hot. Sounds like a eulogy to me. What's next? Death? How old do you want to be? So what is restoration biology? Well, at Forever Green, it's our trademark. It means the body doesn't know its chronological age, it will only act its biological age. It will perform miracles by the minute when we learn how to honor and edify its intelligence by giving it the proper raw materials. That's what we do. The best raw materials on the planet. Anything else would be demolition biology. It's everywhere. Look around you. It's the sickest generation, the heaviest generation, the first generation projected to outlive our children. Everyone has dreams of love, family, intimacy, money, spirituality. But the deal is this: you can't create and sustain our dreams if we're stepping over our health to get there. So take this next 90 days and take on that weight, the immune system, the heart, beauty, or total health. The clock is ticking. The question is, which way? Let one of our doctors help you get started today.